Thailand is so advanced. They literally have an escalator for carts, which I love. The first stop is Index Living to get some soap and some pillows. So I'm going to the grocery store to get everything that I need. Girl cannot be hungry in her own apartment. I can get 4 limes for 39 baht. 39 baht is $1. I don't think that's a deal, but I'm gonna get it anyway. And then I need 2 lemons for 70 baht. They got frozen shrimp. Oil. I'm gonna get some hot sauce for them wings I just bought. Oh, they got these pretty flowers. I'm gonna get some white ones. Yeah, they got pre-packaged food. I think this is trout, maybe fried trout. I don't know what this one is. Look how small their chicken wings is. I'm about to get some. Pasta. I'm gonna try it. They had fresh pre-packaged fruit, and look at all that fruit on the display. Oh my gosh, I love me some mango, so I got 3. Let's just get this one. I have this at 7-Eleven, but price match. I just get one. Because why not? But can you put it in a microwave? You know what? I'm gonna put it on the stove. Yep. 85 baht. Y'all keeping track? Because I'm not. 9, 65, 39. 39 baht. That's like $1. Limit was 94 USD. I only spent $88. You can see me shaking. I had to carry this in the mall, by the way. Because I didn't know the grocery store was in the mall, but it was actually convenient because I got dropped off at the mall. Anyways, so we're about to go over what $100 can get you in Thailand when it comes to groceries. My favorite chips. Love these down. Got some floor cleaners. This is Dettol soap. This is for like my counters. 3 mangoes. I remember, I think it was 79 baht for each. That's 2 USD, so I paid 2 for 6. I think $6. Correct me if I'm wrong, or I'm gonna fact check myself. I'm gonna go back in the video and see how much it was. A 4-pack for like 79 baht, and then I just wanted to get this one because it had the granola. I got some baby laundry detergent. This is dish soap. My apartment came with dishes, so I wanted to buy some dish soap. Roasted barbecue chicken with honey. I'll probably put that on a skillet with some rice, some stir-fried chicken and basil rice. I got olive oil because I did buy some shrimp. The extra towel, I already have a green one, but I wanted to get another one. Scrub cleaner. This was probably my cheapest purchase. And then I got some popcorn Oreos. This was cheap. This was probably like 30 baht. That's like 90 something cents maybe. The fruit juice, I really hope it's good because I think this was expensive. And then I got another fruit juice. It's an herbal drink. The 4-pack of yogurt. I think I got this for 79 baht for all 4, so I'm excited about that. Got a rag. Another scrub dub dub. And then I got, is this hot? It is hot because it got the pepper. Okay, I got the buffalo sauce. Because hold on, I'm gonna tell y'all why I got the buffalo sauce. And then some lime, some garlic powder, disinfectant wipes, razor. I'm about due to shave. I mean, it's not that much. It's not like a jungle razor. I just need to get that real quick because they be taxing with the Brazilian waxes and stuff. So I'm gonna do a maintenance day, not today, but probably later on this week. I'm gonna go get my nails done, my feet done, I'm probably gonna get a Brazilian wax just to price match everything from like the States and Thailand, just to compare the two. So sheets, cookies and cream, peeled raw and deveined shrimp. I got these pre-made chicken wings. That's why I said hold on, because I'm about to, you see the vision, I'm about to toss this. The restaurant downstairs, they're tired of me. I know they are. Like, I literally just went there for breakfast to get a mango smoothie, and I went yesterday and the day before that. Shrimp and tomato pasta. And the best part, I got myself some tulips. So pretty. I don't really care if it was a deal or not. We gonna price match because Tops and Lotus are 2 different stores. Tops is more like a Publix. If you live in the South in the United States, then you know what I'm talking about. And then Lotus is more like a Walmart. My apartment already came deep clean, but I just wanted to clean the surface counters just in case. If you're thinking about living or even visiting Thailand, I'm going to make a separate video on how to find housing. I'm going to give tips and tricks on how to get a cheaper apartment. Now let's get into the apartment tour. When you first walk in, there's storage space, some down here, and more up here. This is my Wi-Fi thing. And this is my two little burners. It'll be enough for me because I don't even really cook for real. And then down here we have a microwave. Then we have storage to put my pots and pans. Oh, and the apartment came with dishes, y'all. Well, okay, so this is the forks and knives and stuff. And then on this one, we have pots, bowls, plates. That was so nice of them. I'm gonna wash them just in case. That's the sink. And then I love this. I don't need no trash can. I have 3 trash cans, these 2 and then one over there. And then I know y'all probably wondering, where is the washer and dryer? The washer and dryer, it's all one machine. And for my living room, everything came fully furnished. With the picture, it came with the clock, it came with the couch, pillows, rug, what is this, table, came with all of that. And it came with a TV, which I love. But me personally, I want more of a earthy aesthetic. Eventually I'm gonna buy a tan couch to put right here instead of gray, because I don't like that. Then remove that picture and put something else in the frame to match the aesthetic. Eventually I'm gonna put a plant over there. And as far as the view, this is the daytime view. They're building something over here, I'm not sure what it is, but I love the grass right here and then the overview of the city. My toiletries and stuff right here, and then my baby wipes. And then to flush, you can already see my fingerprints. I'll clean that, but to flush, you press down on this and the toilet is right here. This is where I wash my hands, obviously. It's the sink. And then I just recently got this soap to wash my hands, deodorant, my face stuff. And there's storage behind here for the skincare girlies. And then this is the mirror. It's not focusing for whatever reason. Okay. Might be a little wet because I literally just got out, but I have the little rainfall shower head, and then I have another shower head as well, and then my soap and stuff. And then I put, that's a 16-ounce bottle, so I put that on the ground because I don't want that to break that. But yeah, nice shower. Love the bathroom. Look how small my refrigerator is, y'all. It's okay because I don't plan on cooking that much anyway. We just went grocery shopping, of course, y'all seen in the previous clip. And we just got drinks, some breakfast, and some mangoes. Look, they have this at the restaurant downstairs in my apartment complex, or condo, whatever you want to call it. But I wanted to try that. So now we're gonna go upstairs. Ooh, these steps are really steep, y'all, so beware. Bedroom, the pillows are a little crooked, don't mind that. I called myself making up my bed when I left out this morning, but with the comforter set, and they claimed it's new, but I did wash it just in case, because yeah, but I'm pretty sure it was new. They cleaned everything before I got here. There's the closet and the storage space. Has some LED lights. I love that. I need hangers. I'm gonna order some hangers off of this app that a lot of natives use and a lot of foreigners use. Came with this little nightstand, which I'm so happy about because I didn't feel like buying one. This is where the air conditioning comes out of. So let me turn this on. That's the light to up there, and then let me see. And then that's the light to my chandelier. Isn't it so pretty? Balcony area, and I can oversee my living room, my big old suitcases, my stairs. Up here I can only see grass, but when I go downstairs I can see the view of the city, which I love. And let me turn these lights off because we don't want that light bill high. Do y'all consider this a luxury condo in Bangkok? Let me know. Now let's get into prices and amenities. For amenities, we have a pool, a gym, and a co-working space. But only that, we have a restaurant on site. This restaurant has literally seen me every day since I first touched down. They literally have everything: pizza, chicken wings, Thai food, steak, pad Thai, and it's so good. I don't know who the chef is, but they know exactly what they're doing. Not only that, it gets better. Rent in Bangkok, Thailand is negotiable. The unit that I am now living in was listed for $20,000
20,000 baht, which is close to 700 USD. I was able to negotiate it to 18,000 baht, which is $525 a month, and that is not including utilities. As far as the water bill and my electricity bill, from what I heard, it ranges from 10 USD to 100 USD. It just depends on the person, depends on your lifestyle. So when people make these videos of the cost of living, take it with a grain of salt, because it definitely depends on who you are as a person. Y'all know me, I literally just said it in my video. I'm really strict. Every time I don't need the light, I turn it off. If I'm not watching the TV, I unplug the TV. I have a lot of natural light, so I don't even really need lights on unless it's really dark. So not only that, there is a shuttle bus. You don't even need to pay for transportation if you don't want to, because the shuttle takes you to a specific area, and there's also a train over there. I hope I convinced you or even motivated you to move to Bangkok, Thailand. Stay tuned for my other videos. Bye.